People always come outside during the nighttime.
He's still inside your phone, inside your thoughts. I know you miss him. It's either me or him. If you choose him, then you go with him.
Don't know. But the boy got some new headlights, so I can install it on me car. Let me get a cold start for y'all. Get everything situated. Y'all know what the fuck I mean. Yes, sir. W lights, W lights, W lights. What's another thing I need to do? Let's get this motherfucking blackie out my motherfucking pants. Alright, so we're going on a trip. We are going to, I don't know what to call it, but yeah, we're going to my friend's house. Gonna go install these lights while I'm there. Hopefully it's a quick and easy little thing, and I don't need no screwdriver, which I don't think I will, but go install that, and then we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. So yeah, moving on. I don't have tape. This stuff can go on the back seat, and then I'm gonna switch the head mount, so I'll be back. Alright, everyone, so we back. We on the freeway with it. Niggas is low-key stuck in traffic. It's not really traffic. These niggas they just scared to fucking go. For real. I'm being honest. But y'all see, we had to make a quick pit stop to fucking McDonald's. Get me my little favorite little drink. Sooner or later, as y'all know, as y'all keep watching me and progressing to watch me, y'all will know Powerade is my fucking thing. Like, they should sponsor me at this point, because I be promoting they shit. Like, that blue Powerade, nigga, that shit hit. Fuck you talking about? For some reason, it's like y'all know how motherfuckers be addicted to soda? That's how I am with Powerade. Like, I could be mad as hell, give me a Powerade, nigga, I'm good. Don't give a fuck about a thing. Cause that shit just be hitting, especially when it's cold. Like, I don't know. But why the fuck is there so much fucking traffic? Holy shit, bro. This shit finna blow me. This shit finna blow my fucking mood. It ain't never had to be this much traffic. There's somebody next to me? Nope. I'm finna skedaddle. Fuck you talking about? Motherfuckers need to stop being so scared. It's not even raining. It's regular road right now. It's all regular road. Niggas is driving slow as hell. We not even hitting the speed limit. Niggas, I swear, niggas out here, they just think like, okay, it's raining, let me slow down. Slow as fuck. 50 miles per hour type shit, you know? Like, that should be blowing me. That shit dead ass be blowing me, cause like for no reason should we be going this fucking slow. Like this car in front of me. I can't wait until I get an opening. I can't wait. As soon as I get one opening, I'm going. Shit, at this point, this car probably moving faster than it. Got to at this point, because this shit, it be getting bad, bro. Cause like, why y'all driving so damn slow? And why this nigga swerving into the other lane? I'm watching you, bruh. And why you going so slow? One of those days, y'all, I might have to just cut up, for real, for real. I'm gonna see if this nigga pass me up. If you don't, then I'm pushing past you. That's what the fuck you gotta do, like, cause these niggas they be sped, bro. Like, they dead ass be sped. Like, why y'all going so damn slow? I'm be so real with y'all, I don't know where I'm going. So, I'm gonna have to bring this camera back up when I get there, so.
Like, I was here for like 5-6 hours waiting for my sister. So, and plus my keys are too heavy. And when I put my key, I don't have a 2027 like you. When I have to put my key in the ignition, it's too heavy and it could fuck up my ignition. So. Yeah.
Yeah.
They look pretty.
Yeah.
Really? You think so?
Yeah.
Here, I'll open the door for you. Yay! Good. Anyways. Okay, I have so much packing to do. I thought about it. And I have a lot of packing to do.
Yeah, I know.
Honestly, I feel like.
Look at her fishbowl, y'all.
Ow! First of all, it's not a fishbowl.
She got tint, but it really is a fishbowl because you can see right through this motherfucker.
No, it's really not. It's 10% tint.
And she got the fluffy steering wheel.
Yeah,
She not gripping shit.
Bad bitches have fluffy steering wheel covers.
If you start spinning out, what are you gripping?
Look. Look
that
in here
nigga
now.
hurting.
Look in here now. You can't see shit.
I can definitely still see your steering wheel.
Babe, my windshield is different. Look at that. Oh my god, fucking complete
Oh my god, I can
blackness.
still see it.
Whatever,
They
bye.
can't see it on the camera, but I can definitely see through that motherfucker.
Okay, I can't see it on the camera. It's not a thing.
I guess. W content?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Cut me a check. Thank you.
I'm not doing that.
We're gonna be like, what's a couple reality show?
I don't know.
That's like really good.
I don't even watch TV. I watch anime.
Huh?
I don't get paid for this.
Yeah, when you do get paid for, I need a check. Don't show my kid for free. First of all, we're gonna put some blur over her.
Fat cat. Where Black Cat at?
What's his name, babe? We're putting a blur over them.
Why?
Because they don't get free. You need to pay them for the people to see them.
The fuck? We're a black cat. We're a nigga.
Stop talking
Nigga.
about me. Babe, stop playing with me. Cool. Ooh, look at my hair.
Yeah. You fucking with the camera.
Oh, can you yeah.
There you go. Better.
Look I got this carrier for them. And this is for large and medium cats.
How you supposed to fit 2 cats in there?
Yeah, right? I can't. So they're just gonna
You could probably fit 1, but the other one gonna
Bella can't barely fit in here. But I spent $40 on this. It's expensive.
What's
Hi,
up,
Cole.
black cat? What's up, nigga?
Stop talking to my kid like that. Come here, Coley. Ooh, he's gonna. Yeah.
He's going.
Hi. Oh. Just a black girl and her black cat. Her black man.
I'm done.
I'm excited to eat my McFlurry. I'm about to get in the shower, so.
I gotta get out.
No. What? You've never. I would tell you, get in. No. No. Okay. What?
I'm gonna get out now.
Oh, wow.
I'll see you later.
Can you come in here?
I'll see you later.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Not you trying to put on my Crocs. Can you fit them?
No.
Can you get it from the car?
I'll see you later.
Can you get it from the car?
Damn. Never mind. I'm stuck.
Yeah, so come back.
I'm stuck.
Is the other one on?
I don't know.
Babe, the bottom?
The,
Okay. Okay.
your spaceship.
What does that mean?
I can't get out.
Yeah, so sit down. Make yourself at home. What is this? Oh, it's the strap. Oh my god, not the leg cross. I'll turn the TV on for you.
Okay.
I'm too rich to be stressing by the bitch, I know I'm tripping. I'm too rich to be rapping by the ops, I know they listen. These niggas always lurking, had to switch up my position. I got it out the mud, I bet you fold in my position. And I could give a fuck about the bag, complete the mission. I up the Glock and get up on the ass just for tradition. I know it's wrong, them niggas always ask, but never listen. I know it's bad and it'll never last, and I never listen. I know it's bad, we spend a quarter.